right, we're going to practice some counting today. Now today I have some crayons and I'm just going to scatter them about here. And I want to know how many crayons I have. Leo, any ideas of how I can figure out how many crayons I have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, what did you just do?
I counted not, I did 1, 2, 3, 4.
So you touched each one as you counted?
Yeah.
Okay, and did you just remember which ones you already counted?
Yeah.
Could we also do them like this? Put them in a line?
No.
Can you count them that way?
I can count them here, 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 and here.
Will you stand over there and show us how you can count them? So people at home can see?
No, because that's too hard.
Let's see if you can reach. How about that? See if you can count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You still have 4?
Yeah.
Okay, well let's see. If we put them like this, let's see if you still have 4. Can you count and see if you still have 4? Go ahead.
No.
We're not going to add another one yet. We'll add another one in a minute.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So you still have 4?
Yeah.
All right, stand over there so everyone can see.
Oh,
What if I do this?
But
Do I still have 4?
that's the way that makes me unhappy because I like the tricky.
You like the tricky way? Well, let's just still see. If I move them this way, will I still have 4?
4.
How do you know I have 4 without counting them? Your brain?
Yeah.
Did I take any away? Did I add any? No, I still have 4 no matter how I put them. If I put them like this, will I still have 4? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you still have 4. Now, I want you to go get 5. If you have cotton balls at home, you can get cotton balls. We have, let's hold these up. We have these little Pom Pom balls. If you don't have those, you can use Play-Doh balls. You can use really anything. 5 pennies, you can use those too. So go ahead and push pause. And get 5 of something to count. And best if they're little round fuzzy things, but anything will work. And then come back and push play, like Leo's showing you, and we'll get started. So Leo, I want you to take 5 Pom Poms, and if you've got cotton balls or anything, you can do this, and put them to make them a caterpillar. Will you stand over there so people can see? And put your caterpillar right here.
And can it be a friendly, tickly, nice caterpillar?
Yeah, we'll make it a friendly, tickly, nice caterpillar, not a stinging one, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so Leo has his caterpillar right here. How many Pom Poms did you use to make your caterpillar?
4.
Touch and count to double check.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ah, he touched and counted and you found that you had 5. Now, can you push your Pom Poms together to make a fuzzy sleeping kitten that's all curled up?
Or a slithery snake.
Oh, a slithery snake. He's going to be turning and twisty. Can you stand over there so everyone can see, please?
There's one here and this one.
Can you stand over there so everyone can see, please, Leo?
Yeah.
Thanks. All right, so he made a little snake. How many Pom Poms do you have in your snake?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You still have 5. Now, what if I did curl them up like a kitten? How many do you have now? Curl yours up like a kitten that's
1,
sleeping.
2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Now, be careful. When you count in a circle, you want to remember the one you started on and don't count it again. So Leo started on this really colorful one, and he remembered to stop before he got to it so he doesn't count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and he stopped there. Because if he kept going around, he wouldn't get the right number because he'd be over counting.
Like
Show us how.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
And do you have 13 Pom Poms?
No.
I got one that fell off under the table here. No. All right, so we're going to take one away. Which one do you want me to take away?
Take away this one.
Okay, so I want you to take one away and put it on the floor, put it behind you.
Still have my favorite one.
Yeah. Now, Leo, will you stand over there and make a caterpillar out of how many you have now? and then count them.
It's going this way.
It's going this way now. Will you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. So we had 5 and we took 1 away.
I can make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, if you count this one again, but are there really 5?
I can make magic like that.
Oh, you're magically making them. So now we have 4 Pom Poms. Now let's see. Can you make, this is a challenge, can you make 2 caterpillars out of these Pom Poms that are the same size? Oh, gonna trick you. Can you make 2 caterpillars that are the same size? Let's see, Leo, how many Pom Poms are in this caterpillar?
Oh, but I want...
Well, let's count this first, and then we'll switch them back. How many Pom Poms are in this caterpillar?
2.
And
2.
2 and 2? Oh, 2
Or
and 2.
if you take this one away, that one has 1, and that one has 2.
It does. Can you put that other one back here? So you had 2 and 2. How many Pom Poms do you have all together with all your caterpillars?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Now you still have 4. Good job. Now I want you to get either a piece of paper or parents at home, what I use for a dry erase board. I just get, okay, you can get it. I just get a clear sheet protector, put a white piece of paper in it, and then you've got a dry erase board. So if you've got that at home, you can put that, get that. So you can push pause, you can go get a piece of paper that's plain, or you can get a sheet protector, put a piece of paper in it, and use it as a dry erase board.
I push
So go ahead and
pause.
push pause, get that,
I
and then
push
come back and push
pause.
play. All right, so Leo, you have this. I made you a dry erase board. Do you want to use it?
No,
You
because...
want to use a regular paper?
Yeah.
Can you stand over here, please?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to put my dry erase board here on a clipboard and make a hard background like that. And I'm
Or
going
I
to get a
can
marker.
make a clock.
Now, I want you to draw your caterpillar that had 4 Pom Poms. Can you draw that?
Means
So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my 4 caterpillar. And underneath that, I can write the number 4. Now remember yesterday we wrote a 4 and we went over, down, or down and over, lift, and down some more. That's the way to make a 4. Now Leo had another good way to remember that. He said, make a little L and make a 1, and then you make a 4. So, okay, there's your 4 Pom Pom. Now if you're using a dry erase board, erase that. Or if you're using a piece of paper, just flip it over. So you've got a blank side. Now I want you to draw a Pom Pom. So flip this over.
I made 5 to 4.
Flip that over and draw a Pom Pom in each corner of your paper. Just one in each corner. Like that. Can you draw that?
This one is even bigger.
All right, now let's count to see how many we have. Count yours. I'm going to count mine.
Make a clock.
1, 2,
2,
3, 4. We have 4. Leo, do you want to write a 4 on the board?
Actually, I want a 4 and clock.
Okay, well, let's do a 4 first, and then after we're done, after the lesson, you can do that. Little L. Now make a 1. Lift and make a 1. Beautiful! There's Leo's 4. All right, so our lesson today, we're focusing on touching and counting each thing.
A P
You did.
or a
Backwards.
T.
P or T. Now erase that. There you go. All right, so what we're practicing is touching and counting. And also,
into a
when you
T.
move a group of objects around, if you don't take any away or add any, you're still going to have the same amount. All right, go ahead and practice counting things today.
That's a lollipop.